Welcome to SimplyGIS, GIS for everyone.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to calculate NDVI using Landsat satellite data in QGIS software. NDVI or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index is a common and widely used spectral index for geographic and GIS research. The core concept of NDVI is that green vegetation absorb blue and red wavelength of the EM spectrum and reflect green as well as near infrared spectrum. Healthy vegetation reflect more near infrared than the unhealthy vegetation. Using this concept, NIR and red bands are used to detect the vegetation cover in any area. The formula for NDVI is that NIR minus red divided by NIR plus red. In Landsat, NIR is band 5 and red is band 4. And in Sentinel it is band 8 and red is band 4. The result of NDVI comes in -1 to +1, as you can see here. In the output result, values less than 0, that is the negative values, indicate water surfaces. Values 0 to 0.2 refers to barren land or bare soil where there is no vegetation cover. 0.2 to 0.3 indicates shrub, grasses like land cover, and 0.3 to 0.4 indicate sparse vegetation, and values greater than 0.4 indicates dense vegetation. So let's calculate NDVI for my study area. This is band 4 red and this is band 5 for NIR. I have clipped this. There is a separate video on how to clip multiple Landsat bands together in QGIS software. You can check that. Once I have imported the required bands, there is a tool called Raster calculator in QGIS. I will use that for calculating the NDVI. For that, let's go to Raster calculator. So in Raster calculator, this part shows the raster bands in our layer panel. So band 4 and band 5 are here. This is the raster calculator expression where we have to write the formula, and these are the operator, different signs and symbols are here. So as I told you, the formula for NDVI calculation is near infrared minus red divided by near infrared plus red. I am writing that. I am putting a bracket, then near infrared, double clicking on it, minus red, double clicking on it, bracket close, divided by bracket start, near infrared, double clicking on it, plus red, double clicking on it, bracket close. So my expression is valid. It means the formula is correctly written. Now I have to save this to my destined folder. So in the output layer, I will go to the destination where I want to save it. So teaching SimplyGIS, then indices, NDVI. Save. The output format is GeoTIFF. It is okay. Then let's keep this option add result to the project ticked. If you untick it, the data will be saved, but it will not be coming here. So let's keep it ticked. Now click OK. So once you clicked OK, the raster has processed the NDVI. So you can see the value is ranging from minus 0.05 to 0.3. You can understand that the output is correct because my value is ranging from -1 to +1. Now what I will do, I will change the symbology to make it look better. Right click on the layer, go to properties, and in symbology change the render type to single band pseudo color, and in color ramp select red, yellow, green, all color ramps and red, yellow, greens. So you can see the lowest value is in red and the highest value is in green. So it is okay. Now apply it. Okay, you can see this is the NDVI of my study area, where it shows that the eastern part of the study area has quite good vegetation covered, and the western part has some patches, and the central part, which is the city part, does not have much vegetation. As you can see, the value is 0.39. It means there is no significant dense vegetation. Some sparse vegetation are found here. At the same time, I told you that the negative value indicates the water surfaces. So this is the canal running through the study area, and there is a red, that is negative value. Let's click on the information and check it. So you can check, this is 0.015. So this pixel has negative value. This is water body. This is a canal running through my study area. In this way, you can easily calculate NDVI in QGIS software. If you like the demonstration, you can like the video and subscribe my channel and share with the people who want to learn GIS. Thank you. SimplyGIS is offering 6 months course on basic of remote sensing and GIS. You can visit our website simplygis.in and check details about the course. It is a 6-month course. The classes will be held online on Saturday and Sunday. The time is flexible. Here is the registration form. You can click and register yourself. This is the detailed course structure. For more videos on remote sensing and GIS and tutorials of QGIS and ArcMap, please subscribe our channel SimplyGIS and also click on the notification icon. There are playlists on QGIS and ArcMap. You can check them.